Check if key structure exists in dictionary. I want to have a function that returns true when a given list of keys lead to an existing structure inside the dictionary. Each key corresponds to the depth level of the dictionary. The struggle that I have is the fact that both the length of the list, equals amount of keys, and the depth of the dictionary are dynamic.
Simple recursive approach. This assumes a quite uniform structure. All intermediate values are dicts themselves and the depth is always at least the length of the keys. Otherwise, you would need to handle some errors.
You can define a recursive function that traverses a dictionary, checking if the key exists at each level, returning false if it doesn't or true if the list of keys becomes empty. As Schwabesegel pointed out in another answer, you shouldn't shadow the built-in name dict.
This loops through all values and checks if the value we're working with is a dictionary or not. One point, don't name your variables dict, it clashes with the built-in type dict.
If you want to see more